Lydia, we're ready for your question.
Hi,
Lydia, how are you?
Good.
Good. So I hear that you have a math question for us. What's your question?
I was wondering if I was doing long division.
Okay.
I did 3 times 9.
Okay.
Which is 3 divided by 954. And
Okay.
I did how many times does 3 go into 9, which is 3.
Okay.
And I put 9 at the bottom and subtracted it.
Okay.
Which equaled 0.
Good.
And I did 5, and then I brought down the 5.
Perfect.
And then 3 times 5 equals 15. I was wondering where to put the 5, because I put the 1 over the 5, and I don't know where to put the 5.
I see what you're saying. You ended up with a 2-digit number, so where should you put it? I get you. Okay, so you know how you said you took 3 times 5?
Mm-hmm.
What you want to do is ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 5?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So how many times does it go into 5? Or how many whole times does it go into 5?
1 time.
Perfect. And so that 1 is going to be what you put on the top, next to the 3 that you already found.
Oh.
So that 1 will go there. And then do you know what to do next?
Yeah.
You got it from there?
Mhm.
Okay. Do you want to do it while we were on the phone just to make sure that you have it?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. So what comes next?
Then you do 3 times 1.
Perfect. Good.
Which is 3.
Good.
You subtract that, and 5 minus 3 equals 2.
Good job.
And then you do, then you do 3 times 2, which is 6.
You're missing a step, dear.
Mm.
It's going to be that last number. So you did the 9, you did the 5, and what do you do?
Then you bring down the 4.
Perfect. Good job.
Then
this is like last time. This is like with that 5 when you were asking me, you did a 3 times 5, but what were you supposed to do?
I was supposed to divide it.
You got it. Good.
So then I do, how many times does 3 go into 24?
Very good.
Let me figure that out. 9, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then that would be 8.
Good job. Very nice.
Then you subtract that. That would, and 4 minus 8.
So you went into 24, right?
Yeah.
So then you'll do your 8 times 3 again.
So then I do 8 times 3.
And then that goes underneath the first 24. And what are you going to do with those 2 24s?
You subtract that.
Yeah, great. And you get?
And then that would be 0.
Great. That was a really good job. You're really smart. How old are you? What grade are you in?
I'm 11.
Oh, what grade are you in?
4th.
You are very, very smart. Thank you so much for calling. How did you hear about us?
I got a certificate from my teacher.
Very cool. Awesome. Well, tell your teacher thank you, too.
And call back tomorrow if you have more questions. We'll be back at 4:30 tomorrow.
Yeah, and tell your friends, too. Did we help you out?
Yeah, you did.
Good. Awesome. Well, we have to go now because we're about to go off of the TV, but call us tomorrow if you've got any more questions. And tell your friends, too, to give us a call because we're happy to help you.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
more
you
than
so
welcome.
much.